Looking for a mattress bag that actually delivers on protection? Imagine sliding your mattress into a bag that's not only rip-resistant but also 50% thicker than other brands. This heavy-duty polyethylene mattress bag is designed to shield your mattress or box spring, up to 16 inches thick, from moisture, dirt, dust, and even unwanted pests. Whether you're moving, storing long-term, or just want peace of mind during disposal, this bag has you covered. What makes this mattress bag stand out is its durability and ease of use. Made from tough 3mm polyethylene plastic, it's built to last and handle rough handling without tearing. Plus, it features a smart double adhesive closure system. Just slide the bag over your mattress, fold the extra plastic, and press the adhesive strips to seal it tight. The result? A moisture-proof, dust-proof, and dirt-proof barrier that keeps your mattress clean and protected, no matter where it goes. I've tested these bags myself, and they truly live up to the hype. The plastic is impressively strong. You could put a mattress straight from your bed, no sheet, into the bag, toss it in a dirty moving truck, and it would come out spotless. The double adhesive strips are a game changer. One strip secures the mattress snugly inside, while the second folds over the top for extra security. It's so tight that you basically have to tear the bag open, but here's a neat trick. You can use the outer adhesive the first time, then cut that part off and still reseal the bag with the inner adhesive. That means you can protect your mattress more than once if needed. These bags come in multiple sizes to fit every mattress perfectly, from Twin XL to California King. They're generously sized to allow room for easy handling, folding over 5 to 6 inches to accommodate taller mattresses without struggle. This thoughtful design makes moving or storing your mattress less of a hassle and more secure. It's a reliable solution for anyone who values their furniture and wants to keep it in pristine condition. If you're serious about protecting your mattress during a move or storage, this heavy-duty mattress bag is worth a look. It combines strength, convenience, and thoughtful design to give you a clean, safe space for your mattress. No more worrying about dirt, moisture, or damage. Try it when you're ready and see the difference for yourself.